What is up? I feel like it's been forever since I sat down and filmed a product review with all of you guys, but let's go ahead and pack for my upcoming trip to Charlottesville, Virginia. We're going to have a little long weekend trip, my husband Nick and I, and it's gonna be so fun. But first I need to pack up, and I thought it'd be fun to pack together. And I wanna show you this amazing cosmetics travel carry case. This product is available on Amazon. It is a great dupe for similar products from Base and Calpak. It fits so much, it's so chic, and it's really functional and compact. You can like so easily pack this in your suitcase. So if you guys are interested in this product, I will definitely leave it linked below. But let's pack for my trip. First up, like look how nice. It has this amazing little compartment here in the front. Like how freaking cool is that? This is so perfect. In here, I'm gonna go ahead and put some jewelry. I have this little silver Miranda Fry bracelet. I'm gonna bring some of my silver hoops and my gold hoops, of course, as well. And obviously I still have so much room in here. I might add a few more pieces actually. I'm gonna throw in this pearl hair clip, why not? And then these 3 Miranda Fry bracelets as well. And look how nice this all fits in here. How aesthetic is that? And now I don't have to worry about my jewelry getting like damaged from any of my makeup or hair products. So then the product also zips and opens here. It has this little hanger, and you can hang this, you know, up in the bathroom, on the shower curtain, wherever. And look at that, it folds out, and it's so big. I can't even get this in the frame. Like, look how much storage you have. This is absolutely insane. This product it's insane. Like, there's so much storage. If you are an overpacker like me, you know you need this. So in this compartment right here, I'm going to pack some of my bigger beauty items, like my full-sized deodorant. I mean, you gotta have full-size deodorant when you travel, in my opinion. I need a little detangler. I typically don't use conditioner, so I just like to bring a detangler in case my hair gets really tangly. This is a really nice little spray to use when you're blow drying your hair. I'm gonna bring my eye cream because we're 30 now and we gotta wear our eye cream every night. I have a little mini travel shower gel here. As you can see, everything is fitting so nicely. I'm gonna bring a backup hand sanitizer. I obviously carry these in my purse, but it's nice to have a backup. And then we'll put some setting powder here. So as you can see, this fits so much and like there's still room, which is crazy. And I'm actually gonna transition my products out from this, which is what I normally use whenever I travel, but this is so bulky and it really doesn't fit much and it takes up a lot of room in your suitcase. Like, this is so much flatter and more compact and fits more. So in this like middle compartment here, I'm going to pack some of these smaller products because this is like sectioned off and there's like a little mesh part here and then a clear part up here. So in this like smaller part, I'm gonna pack my little travel sized hand lotion, my eye makeup remover. I'm going to pack this little hair clip. And yeah, this just all fits nicely there. And then we're gonna tackle this part over here. Our little mini travel hairspray. Our perfume, love me some Sol de Janeiro. Travel sized shaving cream. Toothpaste, of course. I also always bring full-size toothpaste when I'm traveling. And our mouthwash. And this little moisturizer. Absolutely insane. There's still so much room in here. And finally at the top here, I'm going to put some mousse, another hairspray, dry shampoo, face wash. Actually, I'm gonna put my face wash down here in this first compartment. Perfect. Also gonna add this other backup face wash as well because the first one is kind of running a little bit low. And I still have this compartment down here. What the heck? I've like filled this up completely. Let me see if I need any other essentials. I normally do another separate bag for makeup, but I think I can actually fit the rest of my makeup in here, which is insane. So in this little compartment down here, we are going to put our 2 eyeshadow palettes. Both of these are very essential in my everyday makeup routine. So I'm super glad it will fit both of these. And then I'm gonna bring these 2 lip products and a brand new mascara that I have here. I'm also gonna throw in this whole body deodorant by Dove. I love this actually for honestly spraying on my feet if I'm like in really tight shoes with socks. I feel like this just helps so much and I've been loving that. So as you guys can see, I have literally all of my makeup and all of my toiletries packed in here with room to spare. This is unbelievable. I normally have to take like 2 or 3 bags. Like I said, I normally take like this bag and honestly like 2 other bags for makeup. So this is quite literally insane. You guys, look at this product. Look how nicely it hangs up. Look how easily I can see all of my products in one place, especially these smaller products like my lip products or my mini hand sanitizer and face wash. This is truly incredible. This is such a game changer for travel. You guys really, really need this product. And it's so compact. I can just zip her up. It zips up. It's super compact. I need to cut off the tag, but look how amazing. You can just so easily put this right in your suitcase. I absolutely love this bag. It is so sleek. Definitely check out this brand. They're available on Amazon. Like I said, they are a fraction of the cost of something similar to Base or Calpak or anything. So thank you so much, Moto, for working with me on this video, and I'll be sure to link this product in the description. Thanks guys for watching. Be sure to check out my travel vlog and see what I'm actually up to in Charlottesville. Check out my Hershey vlog, my New Orleans vlog. I love traveling so much. If you do too, be sure to check out all of those travel vlogs. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.